Hi guys, welcome back to Get Lost with Books, and you're watching Anusha showing her very special moment. Okay, I have a surprise for you. I know every booktuber, bookstagrammer, everyone who reads book will be waiting for this moment, and that moment is here for me. Are you ready for this? So let's see. Ta-da! Finally, after waiting for so many days, after admiring so many things, I got my bookshelf. What do you think? Isn't this cute? Isn't this pretty? I know this is very small, but still, it's mine. So much happy, guys! Okay, meet you in the vlog where I set up my bookstall. So, are you ready to look into the situation where I pull my books which are clumsy in some places and arrange them in my new bookshelf? So let's have a look where I have kept my extra books. So let's go. So here I have kept some books in my closet. As you can see, they have occupied so many places. Do you see it? Do you see here? They are stacked, piled up. So let's get them out one by one. Let's get them out. It's so clumsy, I'm sorry. So I have got the extra books that I had in my closet, so they were taking so many spaces. So for now I will arrange them. So let's start. As my favorite author is Frida McFadden, and like I have got around 13 to 14 books from her, so I need to dedicate a rack for her, right? So let's pick up all the Frida McFadden books from here. Okay, so I got around 10 books as of now, so let's arrange them. So this rack will be dedicated for Frida McFadden. Okay, guys, got so many Japanese author books here. Okay, that's a lot of books from Japanese authors, so let's arrange. So this rack I'll be having Japanese author books. I think I have more. For now it's okay. Let's just arrange whatever we have. Let's dedicate one rack for thriller. Why not? Because I'm a fan of thriller genre, and like my favorite genre is thriller, of course. So, okay, as you can see, these three big books I have got so big, like they are almost covering the bookshelf. Okay, I know everything will be clumsy for some time. Bear with me, please. Okay, let's keep a rack for Indian authors. Okay, let me grab some books from Indian authors quickly. I don't know, guys. I'm just stacking them, whatever is coming to my mind right now. Like I'm so excited that I got this. I don't know how to uh, arrange a bookshelf because this is my first one. I have just stacked it all around the places. So for now, I'll be just stacking them based on whatever I think. Later, I might change them. So I have got some fantasy books. So keeping them here. Bookshelf got nice space. Okay, like if I move back, you have some space. Also, you have this top floor. Okay, this is taking lots of time. Let's just stack whatever comes to my mind. Later I can rearrange, right? Small books. So now I'll be having space to keep them here, as this small place is very small, so let me make the use of that. Okay, guys, I did get some space over here, as you can see, and also I think I have only little space left, and here there are 2 or 3 more Frida McFadden books. somewhere. I'll pick them up and I'll keep them. And I also have this space. From so many days, I was thinking to show you my journal. Do you see this? So this is a Harry Potter book. If you see Harry Potter, I think you remember that monster book which speaks and like it has the teeth and it tries to bite you when you try to open. So this is that book. As you can see, it has soft furs and those eyes and those teeth and all. So I started my journal here. This is especially for thriller. I have written something like what I feel about my books, whatever I read. I only added all the stickers. Yeah, I have written few. I know I couldn't get time. Like I'll try to write more in this cute journal. So yeah, that is one part of this. So let's see. Do I have room for this cute little guy here? Yeah, that looks good, right? I got some room for this guy. I know he's not visible completely, but let me have a look. This looks perfect. Okay, this is just a basic setup as I have done. I couldn't stop the excitement, so straight away when I got the shelf, I started setting up. So wait for more. I may change and do some alteration, do some decoration in future as well. Love it, guys. Did you like this video? Let me know in the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe if you loved this video. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.